So this time, I want to show you the routine for the lucky string. So you will be lucky today, maybe. Yeah. So in here, I have a ring. So I will use this ring and the money. Oh, you want 50,000 won?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, of course, everybody want money. So now I have 4 kinds of string. But the 3 has the same size. The 1, because this is the special one. And I will use the longest one to tie the ring. If you select this ring, you will get the ring and you will be lucky. That's that all. I have also the, what's this?
Money.
Yes, it's 50,000 won. It's real, it's not a fake. So I will insert this one in here. So you have the very special string, right? So now I will take it all, the string, and then and then if you choose the string with the money and the ring, you will get the money and the ring. Is that okay? The deal is okay.
Okay.
Yes. So now, wait, I will hold like this and then shh. Okay, so that will be already mixed. Okay. Shh. Okay, so now choose which string you want. Choose. Okay. Okay, pull. You change mind. You feel this one not good for you? Okay, 1, 2. I'm sorry, that is not the lucky string at all. Don't worry, you have still 3 strings. I'm sorry, you have still 3 strings. Okay, choose 1, 2, 3. Okay, pull it. So you have only 2 chances. And then, okay, we are getting into closer. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and Jaran! So I got the special string. So you will not get that money and that ring. 50,000 won and the ring. Dang, 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 dang. So maybe you say that, maybe you are thinking I make you fool? Not. It's not. Yes! I got the special ring and the money and the string. That's all, and I thank you.